Hey guys, so let's talk about lesson 99. So this is all about adding and subtracting whole numbers and decimal numbers. I'm going to erase this too because that just does not make sense. I'm going to write and. So sorry. You know what? That's okay. Okie dokie. So let's look at this example. So I have 3 plus 2.5. Well, 3 is a whole number, so I'm going to write 3 down. Now let's look at the 2 and the 5 and 2.5. Now 2 would be considered our what? Our whole number. So our 2 is going to go directly underneath our 3. Now what about this 0.5? Is the 0.5 going to go on the left side of 2 or on the right side of 2? Obviously it's going to go on the right side, so I have 2.5. Now, you're probably thinking, well, I kind of already know what to do next. Well, for those of you who are sometimes in the boat with me, you got to take a step back and think. If 3 is a whole number and 2 is the whole number and 2.5, to make 3 a decimal point, all you have to do is add that decimal point and add a 0. It's that invisible 0 that we've constantly talked about. So now we just add them up. So I get 5.5, just like that. Okay, well, let's try another one. Okay, this time I have 5 minus 1.5. Okay, so I'm going to put 5 on top. Now, where do I put the 1.5? And now remember, 1 is our whole number. So where does that go? Yeah, 1.5. Now, 5 is my whole number again. So what must I do to the number 5 to make it into a decimal point? Yeah, add the decimal point and a 0 and subtract like normal. Okay, well, let's do that. 0, well, you can't just do 0 minus 5. So I'm going to make this into 10, and this 5 now becomes a 4. So 10 minus 5 is 5, and 4 minus 1 is 3. Am I done? Nope. What has to come down? Yeah, the decimal point. Now I'm finally complete. And my answer is 3.5. Okay, just like that, you can add and subtract whole numbers with decimal numbers. Okie dokie, if you have any other questions, please let me know. Okay, I'll see y'all later. Bye, guys.